like a drum nine buggy. I love it when you type it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold my tight, Mr. Lover. I love it when you do it like I say, keep it up.
Wow, so this setting is what I need in my life. Like, I should have used it for the last one, but yeah. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on here, my name is Emmanuela Okon and welcome. So in today's video, well, is this my channel? Yeah, I might probably be posting this on my IGTV. Sorry, I'm just staring at myself, like my hair. Anywho, yeah, so I am going to be unboxing this package that I have in collaboration with FABFITFUN. I'll probably wear my glasses for this one. I don't want it to ruin my makeup, but I'm going to wear my glasses for this one. So I'm going to be unboxing this, guys. Okay. Let's see. I need scissors. I'm too lazy to go downstairs. My room is so dark. Oh my god. This is really cute. What the hell? It's really cute. Oh my god, they actually have a lot of things. But I don't want to mess it up. Oh. You guys, I might probably have to show you guys on my bed because this is exciting. This is everything. Not everything, but like this is what is in the mail, guys. In the mail. I would have taken a picture with the box. I might probably arrange everything back inside, but I just wanted to show you guys what it comes with. Oh, it comes with a cute magazine. Oh. Guys, I'm literally like on my bed and I really want you guys to see what it comes with. So this is the box this way. Oh my god, you see, I hate boxes like this because I never know how to put it back. Well, yeah, it's like this and I open it. So guys, I think you guys already saw me unbox this, so I want to show you guys the things that were inside individually. So we are unboxing the stuff from FABFITFUN. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is an eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, my light is pretty messed up, but please bear with me. I'm filming like it's like 8 p.m. or 9 or 10, I'm not sure. But anyways, this is cute. This is cute. No, you guys, I actually want to find out how much this is and what, yeah, how much. And also, I have a coupon code for you guys. This is so good. You can be getting this much. This, like, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, over 10 items for... You have $200 like worth of money like inside these boxes, and you are getting it for $49.99 USD. Can you imagine? So I'm starting with this. Oh my god, this is such a cute eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this darkness is not allowing me, but I'm going to put it like this. Okay, you guys, just look at this. Just what? This is so cute, and I need an eyeshadow palette like this. Thank you, FABFITFUN. Like, I'm so happy. Like, and its color proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. I can't wait to use this, like, because these are like neutral tones, like brown and all that. So I'm going to really enjoy using this for sure. It's cute. It's cute. Oh my god, it's cute. That's item number 1. Check. Now item number 2. No, this one is very exciting, guys. This is a Bluetooth shower speaker. Bluetooth shower speaker, guys. And you can just put this in your bathroom or in your shower, and you can play music. It's cool. Does it use battery? Ah, okay. We're gonna test this. Let's see. This is lit, and I feel like you don't need to only use it in the washroom or in the bathroom. You can use it anywhere. But like, I'm connecting it to my phone. Let's see if it's going to work. Oh my god, guys, it's connected. Right, let's see how loud it is. Is that the? Yeah? I just changed it. So how do you increase the volume? Ruby red bright. New speakers. Wow, guys, this is a really cool technique. Like, you were just like, it's called ban.do, Abby, yeah, and you just use this, paste in the bathroom, and I guess it's waterproof because you can use it in the bathroom, and it comes with like a USB port. And you guys are getting this for 50 USD. Can you imagine? This is so cute. This is such a cool idea. Shower speakers, because when you're in like in the shower, you need like music playing, and this just really helps. I'm just gonna turn it off. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Okay, next one is the soft focus glow drops. So I think this is like a beauty. It's a beauty item. Oh my god, I'm going to ruin this one. Just want to see how it looks. Oh, is it making? It's pink. This is how it looks. I'm gonna try opening it. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Yep, it's a drop. It smells like roses, like cherry. So it says it gives you a soft focus glow, perfect base for makeup, dewy skin effect, antioxidant benefit for healthy looking skin. So this is, whoa, this is pretty dope. I can't wait to use this while applying makeup. I'm definitely going to be making videos using like some of the beauty products that they sent me, for sure. This is the next item, is a Prime and Prep Detangler. I think it's for hair. Yeah, this is for hair, and this is how it reads here. Probably has a nice smell. I'm not going to open this one just yet, but this is for hair, and it protects up to 450 degree Fahrenheit, I guess. So like, it's good if you're like, protects your hair from heat basically. So this is pretty cool. And next up, we have makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Makeup eraser, that's what it says here. I don't know what that means, but no, I've messed it up. Okay. Oh, instead of using makeup wipes, you can use this. So it says wash. This is exciting. Oh, I can't wait to use these items. So this is how it looks. And the lady in the photo, as you can see, she's also using it here. The packaging is really cute. Then I just put this back inside. I don't think I put it well, but oh well. Next item is an instant brush cleaner. Oh, I think this is for cleaning like your beauty blender or like your makeup brushes. Yep, I'm using this to open it. Yep, because I can't get scissors. Yeah, we open it. And it's purple, which is cute. They got me so many purple stuff because this is also purple. And that's my favorite color. Oh, I see. Instantly removes makeup from brushes, so this is how it comes. Oh, these items are really, really nice. So I'll read the instructions to know how to do it because. So it says glide makeup brush against the color switch, which is this. Sponge in a circular motion. No liquid or cleaner needed. Cause which is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water. Lay flat to dry. Instant brush cleaner. This is such a cool invention. And the next one, item number 7, is a scented candle. God knows I have like 2 of these or 3 and I haven't used them. Open this. Just want to see how it looks. So it comes really wrapped. You can't even see the candle yet. Then like, I don't want to ruin this thing. Oh my god, it smells nice. Oh, wow. So I love the way it's packaged. So it's just a candle and it even comes with like a lid thing to cover, which is pretty cool. I'm just going to put it back how I saw it. Fleur de Sel scented candle. So you can see. That should be item number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then for the remaining items, I have coupons. I don't know where I can use them. I don't know if I can use it in Canada. Oh, I can. Oh, I have to go to hellofresh.ca to redeem. I'm definitely going to redeem this. So I get, this is a $90 gift card. That's pretty dope. Another gift card. So, and then this is what makes purple unlike any other mattress. So I got something like this. And now it's to check. And probably to check by the quality of their mattress. So they put a sample. Oh, see. It has like this smell, but like I don't know if it's for a mattress company or something, but yeah, I totally deserve that. Anyways, that's everything I got. And I also got a magazine, FABFITFUN magazine. What they're doing is really, really amazing. And also this winter box is also in recognition of the Alzheimer movement. So I can't remember the exact definition of Alzheimer's. I believe I'm pronouncing it well, but it's like it's a disease, right? I'll just put like the definition on the screen so I don't make any mistakes or give you guys any confusion. So like this is like they're doing the movement for it, and it's amazing how like they would use this to create awareness about a certain issue like this. That's really good. This is really cute. You guys, I strongly recommend using FABFITFUN. I'm actually going to leave like my discount code. You get $10 off if you use my discount code. Let me just double check what my discount code is. My discount code is EO10. I'm going to leave it on the screen so you guys can use it as well, and you can do monthly subscriptions with them, so you can also get items like this monthly. So you're getting like, imagine getting this box of like items worth $200 like every month just for 50 USD. I don't know how much that is in Canadian, but I'll leave it on the screen. That is so worth it because these things are probably, one item can even be $50 and you're getting all of it for like $50. Can you just imagine? And it's like, I think there were like about 7 or 8 items in here, and just imagine this is what you're getting. So I strongly recommend you keep up with FABFITFUN, try them out. You might get goodies. Like for the items I just received, I like everything, and most of the things that they sent to me are things that I do not have, so that's really good. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys already use FABFITFUN, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's it for this IGTV video. I don't know if I'm going to be posting it on my YouTube as well, but if I am, that's it for this YouTube video as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the unboxing. I'm also going to leave like links to the items individually if I find it online. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, so bye.
Like a drum, 9 buggy. I love it when you type it first if you wanna sing to my body, hold me tight, Miss Lover. I love it when you do it like I say. Keep it up, boy, we can do this all day. Give my heart love, my Miss Entropy. Never find nobody that will do it this way.